my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start English. Chapter number 2, our national animal tiger, यानी कि हमारा राष्ट्रीय पशु चीता. The magnificent Indian tiger is a truly royal animal with a short, straight coat. Okay, so the tiger is the national animal of India. A combination of great strength and power has earned the tiger a special place in the animal world, where it is looked upon as the king of the forest. Indian tigers are famous all over the world. जो हाथी टाइगर है ना, वो पूरे दुनिया में संसार में बहुत फेमस है. Okay, a lot of people from other countries are curious to see that. है ना, अदर देशों के जो बहुत से लोग हैं ना, बड़े देखने के लिए उत्सुक होते हैं. The Indian tiger attracts tourists and animals lovers from far and wide, and people travel a great distance to get a glimpse of the grand animal. So tough and muscular, the Indian tiger roams freely in thick forests all over India. The most famous of them all, the white Bengal tiger, found in the Sundarbans forest of Bengal. Unlike its cousins, who are golden with black strips running on them, the white Bengal tiger is a blazing white with contrasting black stripes. The stripes of a tiger are like our fingerprints. Two tigers have the same stripe. These stripes also help it to hide in the tall grass and trees. Tigers feed on herbivores, though man-eaters are the most dreaded of all. While beast tiger usually do not attack humans unless irritated or hurt. Okay, so tigers are fast runners, excellent swimmers, and their eyesight is strong. है ना, बहुत तेज दौड़ने वाले हैं और स्विमिंग भी बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं. उनकी आईसाइट बहुत मजबूत होती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है. एट फुल रनिंग स्पीड दे रीच ए स्पीड ऑफ अप टू वो 60 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. 1 घंटे में 60 किलोमीटर वो दौड़ते हैं. बट देन ऑल्सो दे टेक टाइम ऑफ द एवरेज टाइगर स्लीप्स विद 16 to 18 hours. Tigers live mostly by themselves and do not move in pack or groups like some other animals. They are different in their habits from lions. है ना, वो शेर से जो है उनकी आदतें अलग होती हैं. Who live together as a family. Tigers rest during the day in the shade and begin to hunt for food at dark. It's their good eyesight and a sharp hearing that helps them stalk their prey. Tigers kill other animals within seconds. Their tough and sharp claws play an important role in catching and holding onto their prey. The ability of the cat's roar is connected to the arrangement of bones under the tongue. The Bengal tiger is a very patient animal. It watches its prey and waits till the right time to make its move. It has very strong jaws. It catches the prey by its neck, and the strong jaws and teeth help the tiger to kill its prey. It has strong sense of smell. It can also see clearly in the dark, which helps it to hunt during night time. Bengal tigers can also swim and move quite swiftly in water. They have the ability to shed or grow body hair. Okay, tigresses are devoted mothers who carefully protect their cubs. They look after their cubs till the young ones are about 2.5 years old. Bengal tigers are fully grown at 2-3 years of age. The male tiger weighs about 200 to 300 kilograms and is up to 3 meters in length. The females are 130-170 kilograms and up to 2.5 meters long. To check the decreasing population of tigers in India, a program was started in April 1973 known as Project Tiger. This project aimed to save tigers from dying out. Since then, the tiger population has shown a slight increase. So far, 19 tiger reserves have been established in the country under this project, covering over 29,716 kilometers of the forest area. So everyone, the chapter is an here. I hope you are a very well understand full chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.